Welcome to Learn Miss English Show with Emma.
And with Leo.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss English Show.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma. Today we're talking about your morning routine.
Let's start. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
Wow, Leo. I wake up at 6:30. I love early mornings.
Really? What time do you wake up, friends? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great! Now ask someone, what time do you wake up?
Perfect. Now, after waking up, I brush my teeth.
I take a quick shower.
Then I get dressed. Today I'm wearing my orange sweater.
And I wear my blue shirt. Nice, right?
Let's practice. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed.
Now, breakfast time.
I eat cereal with milk. Yum.
I drink coffee and eat toast with butter.
What do you eat for breakfast? Write in the comments.
Let's say it slowly. I drink coffee. I eat toast.
So, my full morning routine is wake up, brush teeth, shower, eat breakfast, go to work.
Mine is wake up, drink coffee, get dressed, check my phone, leave home.
Now it's your turn. Say your routine out loud.
Start with, I wake up at, I eat, then I...
Amazing! Record yourself and share in the comments. We'll reply. Quick quiz. What does Leo drink in the morning?
A, tea. B, coffee. C, juice.
Answer B, coffee.
And what does Emma eat?
Answer cereal with milk.
You got it!
That's all for today.
Practice your morning routine in English every day.
See you tomorrow. Bye!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Comment below, I wake up at 6. We're waiting.
Thank you, Emma. I learned many new words today. Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye-bye!